Hello, welcome fellow traders. AMP Futures here, presenting another how-to video. In today's idea, we're going to demonstrate a new feature that TradingView has recently rolled out called the Advanced Analysis for your bar replay. Now, this works with market replay, which you're probably already familiar with. Difference this time is when you start executing trades with market replay, you're going to be able to see a detailed advanced analysis for all the trades that took place on market replay. Very similar to the strategy tester idea that we did not too long ago, where you can go back test different algorithms and scripts that you create with PineScript. The only difference this time is you're able to see the same data metrics and advanced analysis for executions that you took place on market replay instead. So let's go and show you where to go and how to access this new feature. So right now, if you notice in the trade panel in between strategy tester and AMP demo, you can see now there's a new menu tab called replay trading. Now you can see here advanced analysis for your bar replay. With replay mode, you can get extended statistics about your trading on historical data, open bar replay, make a trade, and start your analysis. So let's go and do exactly that. We're going to click this button here where it says launch bar replay. It's going to activate the market replay underneath the chart like it normally will do for regular market replay. We're going to go and select a random date. So let's just choose, for example, Friday, August 23rd, and we'll start from 6 in the morning. Let's go ahead and start now the market replay, and now we're going to hit the play button. And let's now show you that it actually is indeed working by speeding it up just a tad bit. Now you can see market replay is playing. Let's slow it down. And let's just get into a random long position here. So now you can see we're long one contract and market replay is still going. And you can see that the running P&L is displayed there. As you can see it moving up and down. Let's just slow down the market replay just a tad. And I'm going to give it a couple more seconds to accumulate a little more data for market replay. And what I want you to focus on is once I hit the flatten button to close out the trade, you're going to actually see an equity curve chart appear right at the bottom here. So this is going to be from the replay trading tab. So I'm going to hit flatten, and now you can see an equity curve chart will appear as well as drawdowns and buy and hold equity as well. So once you generate the data that you can see on the screen at this very moment from the replay trading tab after you get out of the position, you'll see some different pieces of information that you can access. So for one, you'll see where it says historical data trading here. There's a little button here where it says settings. This allows me to change the initial capital of the market replay for the account that I'm trading on market replay. That is, I can change the base currency. I can also adjust commissions as well. So it's all personal preference whether you want to integrate these parameters. The main thing is understanding where to go to access these settings. And again, it's from here where it shows historical data trading. You'll see a little button here that says settings. All right. Now you'll see overview, performance summary, as well as list of trade. These are the three main tabs that you'll be able to view to review different pieces of information as far as the metrics and analysis for the actual executions that you did in market replay. So overview is more going to give you a general overview from a chart perspective, but it will give you some values here at the top. Now, what I would suggest doing is if you're not sure what specific meanings mean, for example, like percentage profitable, profit factor, max drawdown, even though these are pretty straightforward, but there's a little question mark here. If you hover your mouse cursor over it, it'll tell you exactly what it is. So in this case, net profit, the overall net profit or loss achieved. So you can see a total closed trades, basically tells you the total number of closed trades, winning and losing. Again, pretty straightforward, so you probably don't necessarily have to use these particular question marks or better yet, these definitions. But just keep in mind, anytime you see that when you're using the replay trading feature, just hover your mouse cursor over it and it'll give you kind of a tooltip to tell you the definition of exactly what that particular menu means. Now, here you have the bottom, you have the ability to uncheck or deselect or check or deselect what you want to see on the actual chart from the overview menu. So in this case, if I don't want to see the equity curve, I can uncheck it. If I don't want to see drawdowns, I can uncheck it, or as well as buy and hold equity. So pretty straightforward from the overview menu. Now, the performance summary is really going to give you the raw numbers of the performance summary of the trades that you did on the market replay. So you can see here, you have net profit, gross loss, max run-up, max drawdown, and many more fields as well. Just simply scroll down to see the remaining pieces of information that you can access from the performance summary. So again, pretty straightforward, but again, it gives you a really nice, deep, detailed, analysis of all the trades that you did on market replays. Now, I only did one trade, so there's not that much data, but of course, for yourself, you would go back however far back you want to go and play market replay from, and you might do 40 to 50 trades over the course of the last 2 weeks, and you're going to be able to see all the information and data for all the trades that you took place on that market replay going whatever date that you start the market replay from. So again, this is a really cool tool because this did not exist something new that TradingView has recently implemented. And then the last menu tab that you see here, list of trades, again, only shows one trade. We only did one buy and one sell. But this is, again, nice if you're doing a handful of trades, for the last couple of weeks. You're going to be able to see all the trades in an itemized view as you see it now. In this case, you could see the type of trade. So you can see whether it was an entry long, exit long. Of course, if you were short, it would say entry short or exit short. It'll give you the actual number of the trades. So you can see the breakdown of the individual trades that you placed. It'll give you a date and timestamp. It'll give you the price of when those trades were executed, how many contracts, the profit, the cumulative profit, as well as the run-up and the drawdown. So this, again, is very similar to the strategy tester. The only main difference is that the strategy tester really allows you to go back and back test any trading algorithms that you coded with PineScript or any scripts that you created, versus replay trading is going to show the same exact data. The only difference is it's based on executions that you executed with Market Replay. And you can see right now Market Replay is still playing in the background. The minute you disable Market Replay, everything resets. So watch what happens when I go back to the Overview tab. If I just simply exit Bar Replay, you can see now that everything has been reset. So once you reactivate the Bar Replay function and you start executing trades, then new data will accumulate under the Replay Trading tab. And this is how you access the new Replay Trading Advanced Analysis for your Bar Replay using the TradingView platform.